Nokia is a very old and trustworthy mobile manufacturing company. But after disappearing for a few years, Nokia is now making a grand comeback, upgrading its old smartphones with futuristic features, and launching them in one stunning design after another. So, if you too want a Nokia smartphone packed with amazing features, and a unique look, then this Nokia smartphone is the best for you. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G smartphone. So if you're also interested in buying this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because in today's video, we'll be sharing all the details about this incredible smartphone, its fully leaked features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G. Nokia's uniquely designed smartphone comes with a 5.65-inch Full HD+, AMOLED full-touch display, offering a 120 Hz refresh rate, for an ultra-smooth visual experience. And for protection, this phone is equipped with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 for extra durability. Camera setup. When it comes to camera quality, this phone features a single rear camera setup, with a 108-megapixel primary sensor, supported by 64x optical zoom. For selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera, for stunning selfies. Performance. Under the hood, the Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, ensuring blazing fast performance. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 15 OS, offering a seamless user experience. Battery and charging. Battery life. No worries. This beast packs a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 50-watt fast charging support. Plus, it comes with a Type-C charging port, for quick and convenient charging. Price and launch date. Now, the most exciting part, the price. This smartphone is expected to hit the market at around $100, making it an absolute steal. And if all goes well, Nokia might launch it by the end of this year.